Pregnancy is far more than just a growing belly. It's an intricate and profound journey that touches every aspect of a woman's being. It's a period of incredible adaptation and change, a testament to the body's remarkable ability to nurture and support new life. It's a total body transformation. Think less spa day, more superhero origin story. Your body becomes the star of its own blockbuster, with every cell and organ system joining in like a quirky orchestra, led by a conductor who just had too much coffee. From the tiniest cells to the major organs, everyone gets a new role in this epic production, all working together to create the perfect environment for a developing baby. It's a total body transformation. Think less spa day, more superhero origin story. Your body becomes the star of its own blockbuster, with every cell and organ system joining in like a quirky orchestra led by a conductor who just had too much coffee. From the tiniest cells to the major organs, everyone gets a new role in this epic production, all working together to create the perfect environment for a developing baby. Nearly every organ system adapts, preparing to meet the increased demands of pregnancy. These adaptations are essential for providing the growing fetus with the necessary nutrients, oxygen, and support. From the heart and kidneys, which work harder to manage increased blood volume and waste, to the brain, which undergoes structural and functional changes, and the musculoskeletal structure, which adapts to the shifting center of gravity. From the heart and kidneys, which work harder to manage increased blood volume and waste, to the brain, which undergoes structural and functional changes, and the musculoskeletal structure, which adapts to the shifting center of gravity. These changes begin almost immediately after conception, triggered by a cascade of hormonal signals that initiate the transformation. The body senses the presence of new life and begins to prioritize its needs. These changes begin almost immediately after conception, triggered by a cascade of hormonal signals that initiate the transformation. The body senses the presence of new life and begins to prioritize its needs. Often before pregnancy is even detected through conventional tests, subtle shifts are already underway, preparing the body for the months ahead. These early changes are a testament to the body's innate wisdom and its ability to anticipate the needs of the developing embryo. The body increases blood volume significantly, sometimes by as much as 50%, to ensure adequate circulation to both the mother and the developing fetus. This increased blood volume places extra demands on the heart and kidneys. It alters nutrient processing, becoming more efficient at absorbing and utilizing essential vitamins and minerals to support fetal growth and development. The body prioritizes the needs of the baby, sometimes at the expense of the mother's own nutritional stores, and even shifts breathing patterns, increasing the depth and rate of respiration to provide more oxygen to both mother and baby. This can sometimes lead to shortness of breath, especially in later stages of pregnancy. Understanding these changes helps expectant parents appreciate the incredible work their bodies do, fostering a sense of awe and respect for the natural processes unfolding within. It allows them to connect with the pregnancy on a deeper level, recognizing the profound physical and emotional transformations taking place. Each pregnancy is unique, influenced by individual genetics, lifestyle, and overall health, but all follow a general pattern designed to nurture new life, ensuring the survival and well-being of the developing baby. Think of it as a complete internal renovation, a top-to-bottom overhaul of physiological systems, with systems upgraded to meet demanding new needs, ensuring the body can effectively support both the mother and the growing fetus. The heart pumps harder, increasing cardiac output to circulate the increased blood volume. The body processes nutrients differently, prioritizing the needs of the developing fetus, and becoming more efficient at absorbing essential vitamins and minerals. And even the brain adapts, undergoing structural and functional changes that may influence mood, memory, and cognitive function. We'll explore how hormones, organs, and even the mind transform during these 9 months, delving into the fascinating details of this remarkable journey. While much is known about the physiological changes of pregnancy, ongoing research continues to reveal new insights into this complex process, shedding light on the intricate interplay of hormones, genes, and environmental factors. Let's dive into the wild and wonderful changes, embracing the awe-inspiring transformations that occur during pregnancy. That make pregnancy a marvel of biological engineering, a testament to the power and beauty of the human body. At the core of pregnancy's transformation lies a complex and beautifully orchestrated hormonal shift. It's a period of profound physiological change, where the body adapts and evolves to nurture new life. This incredible process is largely driven by a powerful surge of hormones. These hormones act as messengers, orchestrating a symphony of changes throughout the body. Among the key players is human chorionic gonadotropin, or HCG, along with estrogen and progesterone, which are the main players in this hormonal drama, each with a vital role to play in supporting the pregnancy. These hormones trigger a cascade of changes, impacting nearly every system in the body, starting from thickening the uterine lining, creating a nurturing environment for the developing embryo, to stopping ovulation, preventing further pregnancies and focusing all resources on the current one, and meticulously preparing the body for the incredible feat of childbirth. Progesterone, for instance, relaxes smooth muscle throughout the body, playing a crucial role in preventing early contractions and ensuring the pregnancy progresses smoothly, and also affecting digestion, which can lead to some common pregnancy discomforts. Meanwhile, estrogen drives uterine growth, accommodating the growing fetus, and diligently prepares mammary glands for lactation, ensuring the baby will have nourishment after birth. This intricate hormonal network coordinates every system, from cardiovascular to respiratory, ensuring the body works in concert to provide the optimal environment to support the developing fetus. Early symptoms like fatigue and nausea, often referred to as morning sickness, are often the first noticeable signs of this intense internal work and hormonal adjustment. Other hormones like relaxin and prolactin also play their part, working to prepare joints for the flexibility needed during delivery and enabling milk production, readying the body for breastfeeding. The precision and complexity of this hormonal symphony is truly astonishing, and without it, the intricate process of pregnancy simply couldn't proceed. These unseen chemical messengers, working tirelessly behind the scenes, are truly the architects of pregnancy's profound and transformative changes. Understanding the power and influence of these hormones helps explain why pregnancy feels so deeply transformative, impacting every aspect of a woman's being, physically, emotionally, and even spiritually. The heart is one of the first organs to adapt, working harder to support both mother and baby. Blood volume increases and the heart rate rises by 10 to 20 beats per minute, a normal response to new demands. The heart may enlarge slightly, its muscle walls thickening to pump more blood with each beat. Cardiac output can rise by up to 50%, ensuring the placenta and fetus receive ample oxygen and nutrients. These changes are carefully regulated to keep blood pressure stable, though some fluctuations are normal. Expectant mothers may notice palpitations or a racing heart, especially during activity. For most, these adaptations are well tolerated, but those with heart conditions need close monitoring. Regular prenatal checkups help ensure the heart's extra work supports a healthy pregnancy. The cardiovascular system's adaptability is a testament to the body's resilience. Pregnancy brings about a cascade of physiological changes, and one of the most significant is the dramatic increase in blood volume. Blood volume surges by up to 50% during pregnancy, fueling the needs of both mother and fetus. This expanded circulatory capacity ensures that the growing baby receives all the necessary building blocks for healthy development. It's a remarkable adaptation, showcasing the body's incredible ability to prioritize and support new life. This increase, mostly in plasma, the liquid component of blood, helps to efficiently transport nutrients and hormones, but it also involves an increase in red blood cells, the oxygen-carrying powerhouses. This coordinated expansion ensures enough oxygen and nutrients reach the placenta, the vital organ that sustains the developing baby. Blood flow to the uterus, the very place where the baby is growing, kidneys, which are working overtime to filter the increased blood volume, and skin rises dramatically, sometimes causing that famous pregnancy glow, or feelings of warmth. This increased circulation brings more blood to the surface of the skin, creating a radiant appearance. Blood vessels widen, thanks to hormones like progesterone and relaxin, which are essential for preparing the body for childbirth. Keeping blood pressure in check despite the extra volume, the body is constantly adjusting to maintain a stable internal environment. This vasodilation can cause dizziness, especially when standing up quickly, or varicose veins, as veins work harder against the growing uterus. The increased pressure can make it more difficult for blood to return from the legs. The kidneys help manage this fluid balance, ensuring that the body doesn't become overloaded, while the slight lag in red blood cell production can lead to mild, normal anemia. This is why iron supplementation is often recommended during pregnancy. These adjustments create an optimal environment for fetal development, providing the baby with everything it needs to thrive. The body's ability to manage this complex fluid dynamic is remarkable, It's a testament to the intricate design of the human body. Every vessel and organ works together to nourish new life. It's a beautiful example of the body's innate drive to protect and nurture. It's a sophisticated, finely tuned system that supports both mother and baby. It's a true marvel of nature. Understanding these changes can help you better appreciate the incredible journey of pregnancy. Pregnancy transforms the brain as much as the body, driven by powerful hormonal shifts. Neuroimaging shows changes in gray matter, especially in regions tied to empathy, attachment, and social cognition. These adaptations help mothers bond with their babies and respond to their needs. Hormones like estrogen, progesterone, and oxytocin reshape brain chemistry, influencing mood and stress. Oxytocin, the love hormone, peaks during labor and breastfeeding, strengthening maternal bonds. While some experience forgetfulness, it's more a shift in focus than a loss of ability. The brain is dynamic, fine-tuning itself for the demands of parenthood. Scientists are still uncovering the full extent of these remarkable neurological changes. The kidneys ramp up, filtering up to 50% more blood to handle increased waste from both mother and fetus. They retain more sodium and water to support higher blood volume, while efficiently excreting waste. Hormones and the growing uterus can slow urine flow, raising the risk of urinary tract infections. Hydration is key. The expanding uterus presses on the bladder, causing frequent urination, especially as pregnancy progresses. The kidneys also help regulate blood pressure, making their optimal function vital for a healthy pregnancy. These organs quietly ensure the internal environment stays balanced and safe for new life. The musculoskeletal system undergoes dramatic changes to accommodate a growing baby and prepare for birth. Relaxin softens ligaments, especially in the pelvis, allowing bones to shift during labor. This increased joint laxity can cause instability and discomfort, particularly in the lower back and pelvis. Abdominal muscles stretch, sometimes separating along the midline, a condition called diastasis recti. Pelvic floor muscles bear extra strain, so strengthening them with exercises like Kegels is recommended. The body's center of gravity shifts, often leading to changes in posture and back pain. Supportive footwear and gentle exercise can help manage discomfort. These adaptations showcase the body's flexibility and strength. The musculoskeletal system is constantly recalibrating to support both mother and baby. Despite advances, much about pregnancy remains a mystery. Researchers are exploring how pregnancy affects long-term health, including risks for heart disease and cancer. The immune system's tolerance of the fetus is a fascinating area, with implications for autoimmune disease and transplantation. Brain changes and maternal bonding are still being mapped, offering insights into postpartum mood disorders. The maternal microbiome's influence on fetal development and infant health is an exciting frontier. Each discovery reveals new layers of complexity in the dance between mother and child. Pregnancy is ancient, but our understanding is always evolving. Pregnancy is a stunning transformation, orchestrated with precision and resilience. Every organ system adapts, from the heart's extra work to the brain's subtle rewiring. Hormones conduct this internal symphony, ensuring every change supports new life. The immune and metabolic systems shift, muscles stretch, and joints loosen, all for one purpose. Each pregnancy is unique, but all share this profound internal restructuring. Science continues to reveal new insights, deepening our appreciation for this process. Understanding these changes empowers and supports expectant individuals. It reminds us to look beyond the visible to the immense internal effort involved. Pregnancy is a celebration of life and the body's incredible adaptability. It's a wild, wonderful journey, one that results in the miracle of a new human being. Subscribe this channel.